Hello everyone. Now we'll see a small case study topic about phase locked loop system from linear integrated circuit subject. While we'll say small introduction about this. The phase locked loop system is one of the basic blocks in modern electronic system. It is generally used in multimedia communications and any other applications. Basically there are two types of phase locked loops. One is linear and another is non-linear. The non-linear is difficult and complicated to design in the real world, but the linear control theory is well modeled in analog phase locked loops. So majorly we use linear phase locked loops. What is phase locked loop? It is a feedback control system that automatically adjusts the phase of a locally generated signal to match the phase of an input signal. This operates by producing an oscillator frequency to match the frequency of an input signal. Here in this phase locked loop, the output of phase detector is the input of voltage controlled oscillator, and the output of voltage controlled oscillator is connected to one of the inputs of phase detector. Detailedly we can see in the basic block diagram. Here we can see the phase locked loop block diagram. It is basically consists of a flip flop and phase detector, low pass filter and a voltage controlled oscillator. Here in the block diagram we can see that the input is a frequency signal passing through the phase detector, whereas the output from the phase detector is passing through the low pass filter, becoming the input of voltage controlled oscillator, and the output of voltage controlled oscillator is again coming back to the input of phase detector while forming a feedback loop. Now let us study in detail about the various parts of phase locked loop, that is phase detector and low pass filter and voltage control detector. Phase detector. This comparator circuit compares the input frequency and the VC output frequency produces a DC voltage. The phase detector used in phase locked loop may be of analog and digital type. Next we will see low pass filter. A low pass filter is used in phase locked loops to get rid of the high frequency components in the output of phase detector. It also removes the high frequency noise. And also there are two types of ranges, that is lock range and capture range in low pass filter. Whereas the lock range is the tracking range, where the range of frequencies in phase lock system follows the changes in input frequency. The lock range of PLL is given as plus or minus 8 FR by V, whereas the capture range is the range in which phase locker loops attains the phase lock, and it is given as FC is equal to F lock divided by square root of 2 into 10 power 3 into C. And the last one is voltage controlled oscillator. The main function of this voltage controlled oscillator is to generate an output frequency that is directly proportional to input voltage. The maximum frequency of VCO is 500 kHz. The frequency oscillation is determined by resistance and capacitance with the voltage VC applied to control terminal. Now we will see how these phase locked loops work. It works by constantly adjusting a voltage or current driven oscillator lock onto the phase and the frequency of an input signal, which typically consists a voltage controlled oscillator using a varactor. A circuit called a phase comparator causes the voltage controlled oscillator to seek and lock onto the desired frequency. The filtered output is fed back to the varactor and continually push the voltage controlled oscillator towards the reference frequency. Together, the phase locked loop and voltage controlled oscillator, reference oscillator and phase comparator comprise a frequency synthesizer, which is called an electronic system that produces a range of frequencies from a single mixed oscillator. And finally we will see some of the phase locked loop applications. Those are frequency modulation, stereo detectors, frequency demodulation networks, and frequency synthesis that provides multiple of reference signal frequency, and used in motor speed controls, tracking filters, and used in frequency shift keying decodes for demodulation carrier frequencies. Like this, there are so many PLL applications in our daily lives. Thank you.